Hello, if you are wondering if you can use Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 in order to charge other devices, or in other words, if you're wondering if there is an option to reverse wireless charge other devices, then the answer is yes. And in order to enable that option, we need to go to the settings, then we need to find battery and then go there. And finally over here, we need to find the wireless power sharing option. And if you go over here, you can enable over here. Now, before you enable this option, you should also be able to see the instructions how to actually charge with the Z Flip 6. So over here you can see the spots which are used in order to charge other devices. So you can see the preview, how it looks like, and we need to simply follow these instructions. So let me actually enable this option and let me quickly showcase how to do that. So first of all, I'm not gonna fold this device, and now we need to place it face down like so. And over here in this section we have the wireless charging spot. So now we need to simply place any device that we want to charge that can be charged wirelessly as well. We need to place it on this spot over here, and I can't really showcase that right now, but these headphones, or actually earbuds, are being charged right now, or actually the case. Now of course, if the device is folded, then it should look like this, and of course still this is the charging spot. And maybe this time I will be able to showcase how it looks like. As you can see, the case is showcasing showing that it is being charged. So this back panel over here is the wireless charging spot. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!